Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Google Pixel 7 device, and now I will show you how to fix and how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Firstly, you need to remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and water resistance of your device. In order, I recommend you to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So, firstly, take the cover off if you have the cover, and take the brush in your hand. Then insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. It's easy. If you have a lot of dirt here, just try it again and again and again, and as you can see, my dirt is here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.